Here's how to create this green screen box reveal. Clip 1. Record a still video of the contents in your box. Clip 2. Get your phone out with a green screen and hover it above the box. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Now import the still video into InShot. Tap PIP and import the video of the phone with the green screen. Press autofill to fit to screen. Now tap Chroma and remove the green screen. You can adjust the strength and shadow intensities. Once that's done, you'll end up with something like this. And here are the final results.